Welcome to TechMaster. I'm Gaurav Sadaga from TechMaster. Today, I'll be gonna show you how to hack Subway Surfers by Lucky Patcher. So first you need to go on Play Store and download Subway Surfers. Just here, install it. It will be asking you some permissions which you have to give access to run the game. So its size is 62 MB and it's now Hawaii tour. Whoa, 4.6 rating, 500 million downloads. Subway Surfers is quite a pretty game and interesting. Here you can time pass a lot of without getting bored. But before you hack it, it will be just a bow for you. But if you hack it later onwards, it will be nothing bow for you. You can challenge anyone. You can get as many as keys you want, as many as coins you want, as many as characters you want. You may do it or you may purchase it. But be kind to like and subscribe my channel and like this video. If you want me to bring more videos like this, please subscribe it and press the bell icon over the subscribe button to get every time notified while I'm uploading any video. Uh, The link for the Lucky Patcher is provided in the description, so please go and just open and downloaded it. Without Lucky Patcher you can't do anything. Lucky Patcher is probably used for hacking or making modes for the offline games, not an actual server or any online game. So it's downloaded here. Don't open the Subway Surfers right now. So first go on to the your browser, any browser, and type Lucky Patcher APK download and let it get downloaded. Press this one, luckypatches.com. Download Lucky Patches 6.4.7 EPK. It's the latest version till now. Guys, I'm a really very common man. I want to start YouTube channel, which I've already done. Now see over here. In this, I've downloaded it from already, so it's not asking you any new permissions, but it will be asking for you. Say it's the permissions it will ask you. Draw over other apps, modify system settings, modify or delete the contents of your USB storage, read the contents of your USB storage. So install it. It's being installed. So where was I? I'm a very common man, and please subscribe by which I can just get popular and I would get more subscribers. Please help me to do that. Let's open it. See, now it's loading its packages. So search for this Subway Surfers in it. It will be coming at the top. No, it's not on the top. Let's go down, load down. Ah, yeah, it's over here. Press on this and open menu of patches. Create modified APK files and APK rebuild for in-app and LVL emulation. That means level emulation. Click on that and be sure you press this both, not this one. Okay, and rebuild the app. So please do not touch the screen till it's showing the text like press please wait. So please do not touch the screen because it will cancel all the progress and you have to start from again it from the first. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. You can't do anything at this time. So here it's done. If it shows patch pattern N1 is success, patch pattern N2 success. If these two are shown success, that means definitely your game has been patched and it's hacked now, right now, and it has disabled the Google Play Store uh, paid in-app purchases. I mean to say in-app purchases, it's disabled now. So the internet connection won't be working right now for that game, and just to see the prices it will work. And for the payment, it won't be redirected to the Google. It will be redirected towards the Google, to the play sorry, to the Lucky Patcher, and they will pass it on free. So uninstall and install. Sorry for my poor English. Now it's being installed. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes and that's done. Now you can enjoy your Subway Surfers for a longer time. And after this, if the Subway Surfer has any new update, if you download it, the old patch will be gone. You cannot not purchase new more keys or anything for free. Then you have to again uninstall and install by the Lucky Patcher. Okay, so it's done. Pen, it's being opened. Currently, I'm using Xiaomi Redmi Note 3 and it's Android Marshmallow. Oh, the background music has been changed. Love that. That's new. You rock and go. As I'm stopping over here. Ah, after this we stop here. We go to the home section. Set shop and start attack. Now it's contacting Google Pay, but it won't be contacting. And we spot it 20, 70, now set to 20, but then double check. So we are in the source special points. So press on this auto repeat purchases with the current settings And for this save purchase for restore, it will be done for only once. You cannot repeat it. If you want to repeat it, you may need to restore the purchase from the app. Okay, so uncheck it. Yes. Oh, you same. Oh, you same. Yes, the coins are keys are increasing. Let us increase the coins. To get it for the absolutely free by wasting your time by watching videos, you can get discounts. And if you install and open app, that's Amazon Shop, you may get 1293, but it's nothing of use. You're just sending it just freely relaxing. So, I will So guys, it's enough for the day. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you, and please press the bell icon. Thank you for the watching video.